Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She worked hard, she succeeded. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. He is poor, he is honest. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. I cannot swim, I can run fast. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We will go out, the rain stops. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. She did not call me, I waited for her. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. He failed, he did not study. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. We can have coffee, tea. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. I will go out, it stops raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. She is tall, slim. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. He acted, he knew everything. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. We did not go swimming, it was cold. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. Hurry up, you will miss the train. Option D is the correct answer. Question 13. She came late, she missed the bus. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. He is good at math, bad at English. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. We stayed at home, it was raining. Option B is the correct answer.